This is Bob. In January 2019, Bob starts putting $500 a month into an S&P 500 ETF. No stock picking, no charts. Same amount every month automatically. 2019 is a great year. Bob's portfolio is green almost the whole way. By December, $6,000 invested, now worth $6,740.59. Bob's happy. Bob keeps going. Then in early 2020, everything falls apart. The market drops over 30% in about 2 months. Bob doesn't stop. By the end of 2020, $12,000 invested total, now worth $15,000. Even after the crash, Bob's still up 25%. 2022, another crash, roughly 25% down this time. Bob's portfolio dips. It doesn't go negative, he keeps buying anyway. 7.5 years of this. $45,000 invested. Portfolio's worth around $80,000 today. That's 80% profit. Roughly 10% a year on average through 2 crashes. Bob's not stopping. Next crash, whenever it comes, he'll do the same thing he always does. Bob is executing a strategy called dollar cost averaging, DCA, into a solid asset like the S&P 500 ETF. Why it works? The S&P 500 isn't one stock. It's the 500 biggest, most profitable companies in America in one basket. Weak companies eventually fall out of it. New winners get added in. The basket upgrades itself. Over any 20-year stretch in its entire history, it has never lost money, not once. DCA doesn't beat that. DCA just makes sure you're always buying into it, crash or no crash, without needing to guess when to start. This isn't for someone trying to get rich fast. It's for someone investing out of a regular paycheck who wants their money to grow without watching it every day. Is Bob smart? No. Bob is not smart. He's just consistent. Next time, Bob tries a different strategy.